welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. How are you guys doing? I am so excited. I'm actually going to be truly vlogging today. So I'm gonna start off by getting less fugly than I am now, and then we are going to haul the stuff that I got from Shein yesterday. I'm super excited for that, so we're gonna incorporate a Shein haul into this video. And then I'm gonna show you guys the hugest box that I've ever got delivered from Shein. Just arrived, and we're gonna unbox that and just do like a quick little sneak peek of that coming haul. And then later tonight we might do a little Christmas tree decorating. So if that sounds good, then just keep watching. Ghosty! Say hi, Mom! Say hi, Mom, subscribers! This is just a preview at the haul for today. I'm so terrible. I should probably hang those up. And then I got some stuff I gotta ship out for Mercari. I don't want to show my reflection because it's so bad, but look, here is the, my vanity that I promise I'm going to do a tour of eventually. Those dressers, or the 5-drawer things, are actually on sale at Michael's right now. And the rest, my significant other made for me. We just made some IKEA lac shelves, and then he made that shelf for my palettes. Actually, he pretty much made all of that. And then I just got the lights on Amazon for like 20 bucks. So we'll have that tour coming up. I don't know, I guess that's everything for right now. I'm just going to get ready like I just said I was going to before I didn't. Okay, bye. Okay, so this is like the spare room catch-all in the house right now. I just wanted to show you guys like a little bit where I do my stuff. So I got these lights originally. I wouldn't recommend them because they are too small and like direct, and they don't have soft boxes for them. But this is my OG ring light. This is where I do like my try-on portion stuff. I got these soft boxes on Amazon for like 70 bucks, and I absolutely love them. This is just a sheet that I hung on the ceiling. And then we have, of course, our ring light. I think this one is by Newer, and then I have the little diffuser on it. I'm sorry the house is such a mess. This used to be my grandma's house, and she passed away. And now we're like trying to go through everything and sort, and it's just a big old job. This I was making, well, I didn't make it, I can't take credit. My boyfriend made it because I was supposed to do a video showing you guys how to make your cheap jewelry last longer and not tarnish. So I did have fully intentions of doing that. I was just going to hang everything from this and then spray them with the clear coating. So yeah, maybe we'll do that on one of these Vlogmas days. So yeah, now that oh, this is what it looks like from that perspective. Yeah, fun. So, this is where I did hang all my clothes, but that's all my grandma's clothes now, and we're gonna donate them. I guess, I don't know, there's nothing really else to show you right now. Oh, I can show you the box. So, this was the box that the stuff from today came in, and then this is the box that came today. By far, the biggest box I've ever received from Shein. So super excited. This has all the the majority of the bags in it. So that's going to be so much fun. Okay, I'm really getting ready this time. The cats are always literally obsessed with the Shein boxes. I don't know, they must smell wonderful to them or something, because they will literally dig in the boxes and pull out the plastic bags. This one here has even like drug like a thing in a bag all the way down the freaking hallway. Say hi. Say hi, buddy. Say my mom's crazy. Okay, he's gonna guard that box until we're ready. Okay, so this is where we're going to put the Christmas tree, probably right there in the window so the cats can destroy it. This is the door to the cat's little catio we built so they can go outside, but still be safe. Oops, I just closed the door on him. I'm such an asshole. And then this is what like the living room that we live in part looks like. We got a little bit of Christmas decorations going on over here. Oh, and then here's little baby Crystal. Aww. so cute. I absolutely love this. And this clock was by far, it ranks up there, one of my favorite adult purchases ever. I just think it's super, like, classic. Oh, I did just buy a surround sound system for that for 99 bucks, you guys. And the mailman literally left it on the front porch with it. It wasn't in another box or anything. It just said soundbar. It could have totally got stolen. Okay, I'm out. Oh wait, there's the cat. Isis, say hi. He doesn't care. This is my son. Isn't he handsome? You don't even look at the camera?
I'm texting my girlfriend.
Oh my gosh, teenagers, am I right? This little rack right here is like where I keep all my Mercari stuff that I have for sale. So the top is like all like items that are on there. And then I have like all my shipping like stuff down here. So yeah, that's like super exciting. Hey guys, so we are getting ready to run over to the UPS store. We have to ship some packages for my Mercari, and then we're gonna run home and hope we have enough daylight to do the try-on haul. I'm sorry, I have ADD and I just do like a million little things and I get sidetracked. If we don't do the haul today, we will do it tomorrow for sure. Yeah, so we're gonna start driving now. Okay. Okay, so we just got our packages dropped off at the UPS store and now we're headed to Ulta. Yay! Okay, so now we are gonna go into Ulta and we're gonna try not to spend too much money. Okay guys, I just left Ulta and it is now dark. I am the worst YouTuber ever, so I don't know if there's gonna be a haul tonight, but most definitely tomorrow. We will go home though and we will look through that box because I want to see what that stuff looks like. So, see you in a minute. Oh, is your baby sleeping? Hello, Pumpkin. He's a tired boy. Oh, I see Mama's sweet baby. Okay. Hey guys, just in case you're curious, this is our outfit of the day. We have our Shein plaid top, we have our Torrid leggings, and we have, they're closed now, but ooh, I'm like the worst. These cute little black boots. Yeah. Okay, let's open this freaking box before I forget. Okay, so we got 2 of these boxes in today. And I'm not allowed to buy another candle for the rest of the season. So we got the Perfect Christmas. I got 2 of those because I'm going to be using a fake tree this year. And I still want my house to smell like Christmas. We have the white tea and sage for after Christmas. We have champagne toast because, you know, Smoky Glow made me do it. And then, ooh, 1,000 Wishes. I have this body spray and I was super excited to get the candle. And then Sweater Weather. This one just smells like, I don't know, like a forest and just happy times. I love that. So, no more candles for me. Then we opened the big box here and I just pulled out just a few to look at right now. We're not going to go into super details because I want to save it for my haul. I decided that I'm going to actually like do my hauls completely separate from my vlogs. So kind of alternate hauls, like regular videos mixed in with vlog videos. So I just think it will work better for everybody. And that way if people are searching and they don't want to watch all the vloggy stuff, then they can just check out like the bags or the shoes or whatever. So this is the first bag, little backpack. Did come with a little, kind of like a little dusty bag here. So like I said, we're not going to go too much into detail right now. I think that went with that. Then we have a bunch of the Shein basics I was telling you guys about. Like the just plain like tees and sweaters and stuff. So I'm actually really excited for that because everyone needs basics in their wardrobe. And then they included just like another coupon. Then there was this tote bag. Looks like that. So it actually looks, I'm sorry if this is shaky. It actually like looks pretty nice. I can't wait to haul these. Okay. It even has the feet on the bottom, which I love because I hate setting my stuff down where it's going to get dirty. And then this one, you guys, is so freaking cute. I have to show you. Oh, it's like weird. Oh my goodness. Look at it, you guys. She's so pretty. I love the pastel-y rainbow colors. It's got the little hang tag on it. Like the detail. This looks so much nicer than the Shein purse I bought a couple months ago. Of course, that one was only $6, but I mean, look at this. I cannot wait to go through these closer and show you guys. It's going to be so awesome. We have all of this. I have a couple, let me turn you around, hold on. I don't know if I said it or not, but Ghost wanted me to remind you guys that if you haven't already subscribed, that you should subscribe. I'm going to be doing a video, I'm going to aim to do a video almost every day this month, so yeah. Please subscribe, it's free, it's fun, it's fresh. Bye guys. I can't even hit the stop record button. Maybe you should like go watch somebody else. Okay, so I have a couple more purses coming in, I think then next Shein order. And like I said, I place these orders all just like a day or two apart. So they'll be coming here pretty like rapid fire. And I'm going to be alternating like vlog, then like haul, and then maybe like occasionally a makeup video if you guys don't mind. I have all this stuff we are going to, I promise, I'm not even getting it in the frame. We're going to do that haul tomorrow. I unfortunately got distracted all day multiple times, and then I stayed in Ulta too long, so I ran out of time to do the haul with good lighting. So we are going to definitely do that tomorrow. So tomorrow's video will still be part of I can't even talk. Part of Vlogmas, but it won't be an actual vlog. It will be a Shein haul. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I hope it was like tolerable. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of my Vlogmas, and I will see you tomorrow.